I'm going to cook adobong bamboo shoot or labong. In Bisaya or the Hilonggo is tambok. So it made from the baby bamboos. And also I stir fry with the garlic and onions. So it's very delicious, guys. You have to try it. It's normally we cook this in our province. If we have no food, we're going to the mountain and get the bamboo shoot. I saw that in the Thailand, Cambodia, or Vietnam, they're eating a bamboo shoot. So you can buy a canned food. I bought only a canned food. So thank you, guys. You have to try it. First thing to do, you have to boil the bamboo shoot, and you have to cut like that. And then after boiling until it gets soft, when the bamboo shoot is soft, then you have to drain the water. As you can see, I try it if the bamboo is soft. A bamboo is soft. So if the bamboo is not soft yet, you can add more water, but normally I add a salt, 1 tablespoon salt. So I add 2 tablespoons of oil, and then I stir fry with onions, white onions, any kind of onions, stir fry. So when the oil is hot, then you have to add the onions. So, and you have to stir it, the onion, and then when the onion is cooked, then you have to add the garlic. I think the garlic guy is 4 cloves of garlic. I add. Then when the garlic and the onion is turned light brown, is transparent, then you have to add the bamboo shoot or tambok or labong in Tagalog. So this kinds of recipe is Philippine recipe or Pinoy recipe, is very, very delicious. As you can see, guys, I add already the garlic. So I accident to put the bay leaves or laurel. So you have to cook the garlic and onions until it turn light brown. So when the onion and garlic is turned brown, then you have to add the bamboo shoot which I boiled. So you have to drain the water, and then you have to add. So when I put this bamboo shoot is already slices like that. Then after this, guys, you have to stir it. As you can see, but it's very good, guys. You can eat with the old bamboos, or you can eat with the rice, either one. You can eat as like a snack. So you have to stir it well. And then you have to add soy sauce, dark soy sauce, like 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, and add 3 leaves of bay leaves, and call in our language is laurel. And then I add a little bit of oil, so get like add, and then 2 tablespoons of sugar, white sugar. I add. If you have no white sugar, you can add brown sugar. So I choose white sugar because I have brown sugar, but I can find it. So guys, and then you have to add 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, and also soy sauce. No, you have to add. So estimate the soy sauce about 3 tablespoons. I don't put salt this because the soy sauce is already have a sodium, and also 1 tablespoon of black pepper. it's very easy to cook, guys, as long you boil the bamboo shoot. So we call adobong labong or adobo. And also I add 1 tablespoon of beef stock or beef powder. The beef stock or beef powder is like magic syrup or MSG. Instead MSG, Ajiminoto o bitchin ang lagay nyo. Then you have to add beef stock, which I bought in Korean store. It's really good. Your food is this good. So I hit to try, guys. So when your labong is still, the taste is lack, then you can add more or a little bit salt or add beef powder or soy sauce. And also I add the 2 tablespoons of vinegar. I add already the vinegar, guys. So it's really good and it smells good. So before I add 1 tablespoon of sugar, and now I add another 1 sugar. So I have to stir it, and then after that I add, by the way, guys, I add this water. I don't show for video. I add water like 1/2 cup of water, so in case to boil, in case that bamboo shoot is not really I want really soup. So now I have to simmer it. So I try that, making sure the bamboo shoot is, the taste is good. So I add again. So not only 2 tablespoons, it's up to you, have to estimate. I add another like 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. It's up to you. You have to estimate, guys, as long your adobo is not salty. So every people is a different taste. So subscribe, like, and please leave comment, and don't forget to post the notification bells. So every time I upload the video, as you can see, I put add water, guys, no? So when I add the water, and then I simmer that until it gets sticky or dry. So I need to try it and simmer the bamboo or adobo. So when adobo is turned really good, and you can smell on the kitchen, guys, it's really smell good. So as you can see, guys, subscribe, please subscribe, leave and comment. Thank you to all my co-YouTuber, silent viewers, subscribers, my friends, families. Thank you so much for always there and supporting me, and please leave comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you and really appreciate. And you need to try it. Normally, we used to, every time we go to the mountain or the farm and find a bamboo, and we look a bamboo shoot, baby bamboo. So, and then we skin it and slice it, or whatever is different kind of slice, whatever you want the slice. But I bought already there in US, in America, it's already straight or sliced like that. And then I just wash and boiled it. And as you can see, guys, I add 1/2 tablespoon of sesame oil. So now our adobo is almost ready, and then we'll simmer more. So when the adobo is ready to serve, as you can see, it's really good, and you have to try. And by the way, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave comment. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe and God bless. Bye. See you in my next video. Thank you so much. So as you can see, it's really good and tastes good. You need to try, guys. It's really good. You can add meat there or whatever you want. Stir fry like that, and then you have to put meat if you like it. So thank you. Bye.